Well, from alien abductions to little green men, we've often seen science fiction about whether Martians really exist. Well, we may soon discover if life really does exist on another planet. Patricia Villone takes us inside NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, where Earthlings like ourselves are closely monitoring an instrument that's expected to land on the red planet within days.
3, 2, 1, touchdown. That's exactly what scientists and engineers are anxiously awaiting at Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt. That's because they have a special item on board the spacecraft known as Curiosity. The Mars rover is carrying an instrument called SAM, or Sample Analysis at Mars, and is expected to help answer the fundamental question, has there ever been life on Mars?
The results that have come back from those missions have shown evidence that at some point in Mars's history there has been liquid water, and so that tells us, well, that's one element of habitability. So sort of the next thing that we're looking for right now is a little more detailed view of, were there habitable environments in the past beyond water? So we're looking for things like organic molecules, carbon-based molecules, which is what you and I are all composed of. Were there ever environments in which you had a lot of these molecules around, such that life could have evolved? And if so, can we find evidence of those environments? Are those molecules trapped in those rocks that are billions of years old, showing us that at one point in Mars's history, maybe there was some active chemistry going on, some prebiotic or biotic chemistry going on in the past?
NASA has had 2 other Mars rovers that began exploring the red planet in 2004. But Curiosity carries the biggest and most advanced set of scientific instruments ever sent to the Martian surface. The rover will analyze dozens of samples scooped from the soil, drilled from rocks, and pulled from the atmosphere. The SAM instrument on board Curiosity was developed by and is being closely monitored at Goddard.
So what we have here is a chamber that allows us to basically bring the Mars environment to Earth. And we do that by simulating the thin carbon dioxide atmosphere of Mars. And we also can provide temperatures to the experiment that are in the range of minus 120 to up to 20 degrees C, like a warm day on Earth.
If the mission is successful, it'll determine if Mars is habitable, a question that has sparked theological debate for centuries. From Greenbelt, Patricia Villone, CTV News.
Got some cool graphics there. Well, the Visitor Center at Goddard Space Flight Center will open during Monday's touchdown. Curiosity is expected to land on Mars about 1:30 a.m.